So to find the area of a trapezium, you need to know this formula. A plus B divided by 2 times height. You might have seen that written other ways. It might look something like this. Okay, but essentially this is the one that I will be using. Okay, so to understand what these different things mean, I interpret as A as being the one above, B being the one below, and then the height being the measurement that's at right angles to both of those. Okay, it's at a right angle to the top and a right angle to the bottom. So for this shape here, if this was 12 centimeters and this was 8 centimeters and this was 4 centimeters, what we would write for our formula is 8 plus 12 divided by 2 times 4. Okay, because 8 relates to A, 12 relates to B, we're halving it, and then we're also timesing it by the height. Okay, it's really important that you do this part in the brackets first, so that would make that 20 divided by 2 times 4, which is going to be 40 centimeters squared. All right, so for this one here, again, we're going to write out our formula, A plus B divided by 2 times height. I'm going to label what is my A, my B, and my height. So A above, B below. Now this is at right angles. I mean, it's a little bit wonky, but essentially it's at right angles to both of them because these would be parallel lines. So then this would then be our height. So I would change this to 15 plus 20 divided by 2 times 8. 15 plus 20 is 35. That is 140 meters squared. All right, so this last one, again, we're going to write out our formula in full. I've got to label which one's which. I'm going to decide this is A and this is B because it's just kind of like being rotated. And then this would be our height. So we're going to get 12 plus 19. Then we need to divide it by 2, and then we're going to times it by 6. 12 plus 19 is going to be 31 divided by 2 times 6. Gives us 93 centimeters squared. So with a trapezium, you need to be able to remember what the formula is, determine what value is A, what value is B, and then what value is the height. Substitute accordingly, making sure that you follow the correct order of operations. So doing what's in the brackets first before proceeding with anything else. And then you can find what the area of a trapezium is.